Hey guys, what's really good? Welcome to my channel. My name is Dymund. From the title of this video, you know it's a hair tutorial, okay? We're going to be discussing how I achieved this look right here. So let's get right into it. So hey y'all, let's get right into this hair. So I was sent this unit here from KlaiyiHair, and this is in the 24-inch body wave. Okay, look at the body on that, stunning. The quality of this wig was just out of this world, really impressive. No funny smells at all. There's the lace there, and it does come pre-plucked. So what I did want to do is just to tint the lace just a little bit. So I just went in with bleach. I didn't leave it for longer than 10 minutes because it had a nice color already, but I just wanted to darken it just a little bit. So I did dye the roots just a little bit, okay? And I didn't actually pluck this wig at all. I felt like the pluckerization was okay. What I did do next, however, is I added my foundation onto the lace, and I'm just drying it just to make sure that it's completely dry, so that, you know, when I go on to like melting the lace, it's not going to come through and just cause a madness. So I did just blow dry the foundation itself just to give it the look that I wanted. And as you can see here, I actually like the color of the roots. I feel like it's more to my liking compared to how it was before, but I didn't leave the bleach on for that long. So this wig is 150 density, and the wig itself, it comes in the natural color, as you can see just there. And like I said, I didn't need to pluck it at all, but it was really easy to work with. Like, I couldn't believe how easy this hair was to work with. And like I said, I didn't pluck it, but you can see the hairline is pretty alright. Like, the hairline, I had no complaints, and I didn't feel the need to really pluck it right now. And of course, with the little bit of the dyeing of the roots, the color just looks really amazing just there, like really nice pluckerization. And that's how the wig came. So I went ahead and I glued it on my head, making sure she just cut around the ear area so that the wig sits comfortably and it doesn't hurt. Because I don't know about you, but have you ever experienced a wig like, and it's just pushing onto your ear? That pain is undescribable, okay? But yes, I just went ahead and I laid my wig down with this got2b glue, and I didn't want to, you know, do the ghost bond and everything like that, because I was literally going to just wear the wig today, one day, and then take it off. So I didn't, you know, want to go through the whole wahala. So of course, if you do want the wig to stay on 2, 3 or even 4 days, you can definitely even do like the bald head method. You can do the ghost bond, but for me, it was literally for this video. So I didn't want to lay it down, you know, like I was going to war, because there's absolutely no need. But yeah, this method I actually saw online, and it actually works for me. Yeah, this method definitely works for me, especially if you just want it for a couple hours. Then definitely try this method out. It's really quick and easy to remove as well. All I literally do is get a damp towel. I wet it with warm water, and I literally just press around the areas where I put the glue, and literally within minutes, the glue just slips off. It doesn't damage your edges or nothing like that, because obviously you didn't, you know, go through all the troubles of layers after layers after layers. Yeah, so then just go ahead and lay your lace down, and I already cut my lace off camera as well. But yes, of course, do cut your lace. And I mean, listen, this wig, the quality of this wig is just so amazing. Do whatever it is that you do with your baby hair. I really wanted to take advantage of doing extreme baby hair, because I felt the quality of this wig was definitely A1, and it wasn't tough. Like, you know, even when it came to like laying the baby hair, usually I have to go over and over again, but this wig was just really nice to work with, like I mentioned just there. The only plucking I did need to do was just over here, because I felt like the laying of the baby hair, I didn't want like chunky, heavy baby hair. So I did go in a little bit just there with my tweezer, plucking downwards, just so I can soften the look of that baby hair, just so it can be a little bit more realistic. And I'm just sliding it into the rest of the hair so it can look nice and natural, and also just to help cover the lace, because like I said, I didn't really, you know, go in hand with melting the lace. But look at the baby hair on that, and this is with like minimal plucking. I only plucked the side of the baby hair, I didn't pluck anywhere else. So I'm just going in now with my hot comb, just to make sure that the front is flat as possible. And I'm so annoyed, I left my straighteners with my sister. So at my mum's house, I forgot my straighteners. I'm so annoyed. So it meant that I couldn't straighten the wig, and that really irritated me because the look that I had in mind, I was unable to do. So I was literally searching my brain trying to figure out what look can I have for this hair, because I don't have any of my curlers. I don't have my straightener. For some reason, all I had was the hot comb, and I don't like using the hot comb to like straighten the hair. I don't know about you, but it makes the wig look a bit bristle towards the end. But yeah, so that was just one of them ones. I'm just going in here and doing the same with the baby hair on the left side. Honestly, the way the baby hair just slid into place, yeah, this wig I would 100% recommend. Look at my face. This is when I realized I don't have my straightener, right? So I was like, oh my god, what style am I gonna do? What style am I going to do with only just having a hot comb? I tried my best, but to be honest with you, this hair was so lovely that I could have just left it like this, which you would see at the end. I pretty much did anyways, because the quality is just really, really amazing. It is true to length. Did I mention it was 24 inches, right? 24 inches, 150 density, and this is in the body wave. Absolutely stunning. And this is the 13x4 lace frontal. And all I actually put at the front there was my wax stick, right? So I literally just used my wax stick, and look at the high shine on that. So yeah, at this point I was like, okay, do you know what? Let me just try a middle parting. I was like, let me just try a middle parting. Let me just see what I can do with this. But I am going to insert a clip. I did curl it as well. So I'm going to definitely put in a little picture. I don't think I have a clip, but I'm just going to put in a picture. It takes really, really well to heat. You know, you don't need to keep it on for, well, what did I do? I think I had curled it and I didn't even need to put the heat on for more than 10 seconds. It took really well to heat. It wasn't bristle towards the end. Just really stunning, this hair. Guys, make sure you check out the link in the description box, because that's going to take you straight to the website where you can not only just purchase this hair, but you can purchase other amazing hair on there as well. And I know that there's a few discounts and sales going on right now on the website, so take advantage. Take advantage right now. Go and check them out and see what you can grab, see what you can get your hands on. This one I would definitely recommend. Like, I'm kid you not, absolutely stunning. So at this point I'm like, listen, let me just go for the middle parting, and I realized it's not even on. The hot comb weren't even on, honestly. But once it was on, I was just able to just flatten the front just to give it a nice clean finish. And I didn't use any products on this hair. I mean, aside from the wax stick, there was nothing else that I used. And you can just see, ladies, like the shine on this is really, really amazing. I didn't need to keep, you know, straightening for like, or should I say hot combing, for more than 10, I don't know, I didn't keep it on for long, because it just fell right into place, and this hair was just really easy, really, really great to work with. And ta-da! I laid down my baby hair just a little bit there, and this is the look that I got. This hair absolutely stunning. Look at the baby hair on that. Like, girl, this hair amazing, amazing, amazing. And also, you know, the body wave got kept as well in the wig itself, but I absolutely love this hair. So soft, so lush, no funny smell, minimal shedding, right? 24 inch 13x4 lace front, absolutely stunning, absolutely gorgeous, and you can see the length that it comes down to just there. But yes, make sure you check out all the details in the description box for this hair. Get your hands on this hair. Thank you guys so much for watching this channel. I love and I appreciate you all, and I will catch you next time. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.